That's cannon, no? Those were cannons of the First or Second World War. What they did here, no, gumawa sila ng miniature ng Gallipoli, including yung dagat. This is Dardanelles Strait. To, pahaba na to. Miniature also. They're checking on yung paano ginawa nila dito. Kasi we'll be crossing, no? We're in Çanakkale, Turkey. We'll be crossing into Gallipoli by car. Very short na ride lang. Tingnan natin yung ginawa nila dito. Ayan, mga maliit na structures. This one. Ito si Ataturk nila, oh. Ataturk, si famous Mustafa Kemal, no? He's a hero here in Turkey. Yeah, ang alam ko dito ang labanan dito eh, no? Sa Gallipoli. Gabi. Ganon? Oh, doon talaga sa kanya.
Kasi yung mga area here, this one and this one, napuntahan natin to eh.
Hmm.
Dami na. Let's puntahan talaga natin. Okay?
Ganda, miniature park. What is this, si Hana? Aegean o Marmara, ano yan? Kasi Actual Sea, yan, that's the Dardanelles. This is Dardanelles, no? Miniature ng Dardanelles. Doon yung actual na Dardanelles, no? Sa dulo yung Versini. Ha? Aegean to, no? Grabe. Gumawa sila ng miniature park to see. Dito? Along dito, pag ganyan tayo. Ah, so doon na tayo, ganyan. Saan yung Istanbul? Doon yung Istanbul.
Pero wala pang marker eh. Yan yung Sea of Marmara.
Saan yung Sea of Marmara?
Yan dapat.
Okay, that's Sea of Marmara. Yan o, tingnan natin. Sandali yung kon? May bayad? Ah, may ticket, no?
We don't have time anymore.
Okay.
Lapitan lang. Ayan yung airplane din. Lapitan natin. Wait ba yan? Wala.
May ticket ata, oh. For entrance. Aha. Wag na. Paano na tayo dito? We're short against time. Pumunta kami ng actual na Gallipoli.